friends, my name is Arya. Welcome to my show. 3 rounds of O. Show some Surya Namaskar or some salutation. Suraya Namaskar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. For aeroplane, B is for butterfly. C is for Cobra, D is for dog, and E is for easy pose. It's for froggy. G is for grasshopper, and H is for happy baby. And I is for inhale. And this for Jack in the Box. And K is for kite. For lion. N is for mouse. N is for new pose. Guys, you can do any pose you like. Otter is like this. And P is for peacock. And pretend there's a feather and put your hands like this. Peacock wing, stand straight. R is for ragdoll. S is for Swan. T is for triangle. And U is for unicorn. For volcano. W is for waterfall. X is for X. Y is for Y. Z is for zero.